My name is Andrei. We run a advertising agency called IVS Group Digital. We've always, pretty much in the last couple of years, have had not the best experience with payment providers, right? What that means is that you get a payment provider, you get reserves put on your account, it becomes frustrating. In terms of the setup takes a long time. We faced restrictions, we faced account closures. So we just needed a solution that would, first of all, would want to work with us, second, that would appreciate us, and third, that would empower us to go and kind of really generate good revenue and have consistent cash flow. SOTpay have been great. I've had some important requirements, such as card on file, being able to process transactions, recurring subscriptions, everything that an agency in my model would need. And the guys have really helped me a lot. I mean, the representative who I've been working with was Jamie, and from the start, not only did he set the right expectations, but also I was able to contact him personally on his sponsor online. Every single question I've had with, he followed up immediately on. He worked with the acquirer, WorldPay, to go and ensure all my issues are solved, all the problems are fixed. And I mean, I believe I inquired on Thursday. We got the account set up on Monday night or Tuesday. So 4 days for me to go and have the account set up from the point of inquiry to the point of being able to process my first payment, which to me is great because, other providers, apart from these huge mega corporations, would take 4 days to even get back to me and ask for the KYC. So working with somebody who would be able to match the speed that my business operates on, because, I believe that money loves speed at the end of the day, right, is very, very important. So I think, I've got a lot of people that I'll be sending your way, guys. That's 100%. But I believe in terms of solution, there's definitely a group of people that need to find out what it's like to work with a payment processor one-on-one that actually values you as a customer and actually appreciates your business. The best benefits was that it was as advertised. You know what I mean? So I've inquired with a couple of acquirers, with a couple of other payment processors in my search for a reliable solution. And all I got was everybody saying, yes, Andre, we will do and give you everything which we need. But then I get the account open, there is no card on file, there's no tokenization, there's no payment intent. Working with SOTpay is just like, it's good because I was able to tell them exactly what I need. And I had that solution provided and I had realistic expectations. And I think that's very, very important. Everybody hates working with somebody who says, yeah, sure, no problem. And then it becomes a problem after. And with you guys, you tell me straight, hey, it's going to work like this. We're going to do this. You're going to have everything which you need, the card on file, the tokenization, the virtual terminal, the pay by link, dispute management, everything which you needed. So it's just very transparent. Here, I know exactly who I can text. They can pull up my account. They can pull up my number. They can review the given transaction 5 minutes after I have a question. Go to SOTpay. They've got great relationships with acquirers.